Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in positive MACD and we're at overbought levels with the RSI. We have broken above the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary support at the price of $51.58. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we have now approached to positive MACD and we're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend out once more onto the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD, but we're seeing signs of a converge and we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. And we did bounce right off the 200-day moving average, this green line. So as for the trade idea of the week, my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio and my long entry will be at $45.03, and that is this range here. As for my sell target, that's $51.85 and my stop loss is at $43.39. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be at $55.03, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the 50-day moving average. My sell target is at $46.85 and my stop loss is at $58.54. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 36% chance for gold miners to climb between 0 to 10%. As for the downside, we have a 55% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 10%, and a 9% chance to fall between negative 10% to negative 20%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.